Well, good afternoon. I'm Rana Andrea Reyes, your nurse for today. May I know your name, please? Are you comfortable with your position right now? So, for today, I will be taking your vital signs. Is that okay with you? So, first, I will be measuring your oral temperature by your mouth. Please prepare my material. Open your mouth, your tongue, close. Let's wait for it to be. So, your temperature is 36.4, which is normal. Next, I will be measuring your tympanic temperature. Please face on your right side. I will measure your temperature by your ears. So this is how you measure the tympanic temperature. Pull the ear upwards and downwards as you insert your tympanic temperature. After you got your temperature, you should remove the cap after using. Now I will be taking your apical pulse, which is located to your left chest area. Is it okay if we can expose the left chest area, or you should remain with your shirt on?
Oh, remain my shirt.
Okay, no problem with that. Now I'm gonna take your temperature via axilla, pulse rate by your river pulse, and respiratory rate. Would you like me to do the pattern on your underarms, or do you want to do it on yourself?
Ako na lang.
Thank you po. I'm just gonna prepare my materials. Now can I have your left arm? I'm gonna take the thermometer back now. So your temperature is 35.2 degrees Celsius, which is normal. So now I'm going to take your blood pressure. Do you know your last blood pressure count? Okay. Let me get your last one and your last one. Let's wait for 60 seconds. I'm gonna take your blood pressure right now. your blood pressure is 110/80, which is normal. You may now rest.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for cooperation, Mrs. Reyes. I'm happy to say that all your vital signs are normal. If you need anything else or help, just please press the button beside